Sujitha Bhaskaran. I'm working as an architect in USC Health Proof account right now. Yeah. Um, I'm really grateful that I got this opportunity for attending the servant leadership workshop. I think there is a very good takeaway. Like it taught me the perspective that I should be having as a leader, or since I'm in a responsible position in my team, those aspects in which I should work. Okay, I think there is a good amount of improvement. I feel right now like there is a good amount of improvement that I have to apply in my approach. And I think I got many tools and tips in which I should apply myself, uh, so that I'll get a greater amount of improvement in my role. Um, we are actually in all other companies, if I see, okay, the goals have been set by the superiors or the managers. Okay, here actually the approach is we have to set our own goals and we have to discuss with the managers, or we have to identify a partner. Okay, and we have to discuss with that particular partner so that we can improve ourselves. Okay, so that I feel like it does really help us to improve our skills, as well as we are creating a win-win situation for our organization as well. Actually, I learned too many tool tips, okay, through which I can improve each and every factor. For example, if emotional healing, what are things, okay, as a responsible person in my account, what all tool tips which I come to know, like what are tool tips which I need to do for emotional healing. Okay, so there are multiple tool tips which I learned here. Definitely, I'm going to apply in my life. Okay, both in personal space as well as in my organizational space. Yeah, thank you once again for giving me this opportunity. Thanks a lot.